Welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to declare a discrepancy while using the BUI app. First of all, log in. Select your aircraft by tapping on it. Go to the eTechlogs page. Tap on the plus button to create a new techlog. If the issue is related to the aircraft, tap on Add New Discrepancy Aircraft. In the event of a problem related to one of the engines, tap on Add New Discrepancy Engine. Here we select Add New Discrepancy Aircraft. Describe the problem thanks to the free text field. Select the matching ATA chapter. This field is not mandatory. Different types are listed. Pick one. Classification. Here you need to click PIREP or MREP. PIREP means Pilot Report. MREP means Maintenance Report. Depending on what you select, the app displays either the pilot's list or the technician's list when you tap Reported By. Action required. You can manually specify corrective actions to be taken or select an element from the list. The time is automatically filled, but you can modify it. The format is hour, minute. Sign to validate the discrepancy. If we validate the discrepancy without adding an associated deferral, the aircraft will be considered as grounded since it is not deferred under an MEL item. If applicable, you can access the associated minimum equipment list. Here is the list, always updated. You can type keywords in the search bar to filter. You can see the amount of installed item and required item as well as the associated remarks. Tap Done. The system will display the deadline according to the selected category. You can link the discrepancy to the exact part that is the source of the issue by accessing the configuration of the aircraft. You can take a picture to attach to the discrepancy. Validate your discrepancy. Here you can see the discrepancy you declared. You can add others if needed. Tap Done. In the Not Sent Techlogs list, you can see the log we just created with an orange flag that indicates that the discrepancy has been declared. Tap Send Now. Send final version. In this example, we created a log with only one discrepancy, but it is possible to combine a flight and a discrepancy in the techlog. If we check the due list before the technical staff replies to the open defect, the discrepancy appears. Refresh. Here you can see the description of the problem and the associated MEL remarks. The blue flag indicates that the discrepancy is deferred under an MEL in category C, so you have 10 days to fix the issue. After 10 days, the flag will turn red and the aircraft will be grounded. Now we switch to the desktop version to see the result. The number 1 shown in brackets indicates that there is one open discrepancy. When you click Ops and Discrepancies, you can see the log reference, the description of the problem and the part involved. Open the Techlog module. Here is the Techlog we created. Click Discrepancies Aircraft to see the details. Click on Preview to display the tech log with the aircraft and engine status, and open Discrepancy deferred under an email. Open the Maintenance Schedule module. Click on Display Due List. The due list of the aircraft is automatically updated and now includes the unscheduled maintenance event. This is now the end of this tutorial. We hope it will help you to work more efficiently. Thanks for watching this video. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be the first to discover the next exclusive videos.